Hi there, and welcome to Sugar Hiccups. Today I am going to take this book and I'm going to alter it. They're called altered books, and what you do is you take an existing book and then you sort of make it your own. So the altered book I'm going to work on today is going to be something, it's kind of like a blend between everything I like about Halloween and maybe some personal things that might happen throughout the month, but it's not an October daily, and it's not a junk journal. It's not a smash book, nor is it a collage book. But maybe it's all of those mixed around. I'm not quite sure. It's going to unfold naturally, and I'm just looking forward to working on this. Today what I'm going to do is just decorate the cover and the inside cover. And then on part 2, I'll work on something else. For now, these are the papers I chose, and they came from this book, the two that I'm using. I'm using this for now, and I'll probably use more of these pages in this altered book because they're so beautiful. So for the cover and inside, I'm using this one and this one. And then I'm going to use these. I printed these off the internet. They're digitals. And I will link both of these down below. So I just wanted to let you know that. And I'll also be using some grip tape. And possibly this, and decorating it with some of these. One thing I'd like to share with you is what I'm drinking. I've never had this before. It's not sponsored. It was just something that my husband had gotten, and he had just gotten back from the store. I don't know if you have a Lowe's grocery store where you are, but we do. And it's called Stewart's, and it's called Key Lime. And oh my goodness, this is amazing. It was like I had a little cup, and then I told him, I said, no, I need my own bottle. This is terrific. So, if you ever have a chance, try the Stewart's. So, when I was looking for an altered book, I did not want anything too big, and I went to a book dispensary, and I found 2 books, and I thought, okay, I'll try those. But then when I got home, I loved them so much I didn't want to cover them up. So then I went over to I know, that's crazy. So then I went over to Books A Million, and this was in their bargain, and it was $5. And I think this is the perfect size because it's not too big, and it's just the right size for me. So when I took off the cover, it had such a nice feel here. It's almost like a cottony linen, and I thought that would work really well if I wanted to cover it with my crafting paper. So that's why I chose this. The first thing I want to do is put this right here. So, Mod Podge, which I got from Hobby Lobby for $5.99, on top of this book here. Now this is my first time using Mod Podge, and my first time making an altered book. We can enjoy this together. So I'm gluing the front and the back like this because I realized that the edges were crinkling up, so I'm going to have to use the masking tape really soon, and then I can cut the edges. Maybe that's wrong, I don't know. This is my first time. I'm just having fun. I'll straighten the inside out soon, but what I want to first do is add this tape here so these pieces don't fold up. See, they're curling. I went over the seam because the masking tape is not that wide, so I wanted to make sure I got all the paper covered. Okay, I have my masking tape on it. So now what I need to do, see, I think that worked really nice. I didn't feel comfortable doing a fabric spine or covering the paper over it just yet, since this is my first one, so I feel very comfortable with the masking. Okay, so let's go ahead and trim this out. So that looks pretty. I am now going to finish my insides and glue them down. Okay, so now we have the book covered, and I think it looks super. Now what I need to do is cover these insides here. So I am going to measure the inside, which is just a little under 8.5 by 5, a little under 5.5. So this is going to go right here. Okay, so I'll take a little bit off this side and this side. Okie dokie. Now I get to add my plaid paper, which I love. So now while I am allowing the glue to settle in and dry, I think I might add this ribbon along here, but I'm going to take it out and check it out and see if that's what I want to do. I really like that. So I got some rickrack. I actually went to Hobby Lobby and got it. I thought that the ribbon needed a pop of color, so I'm going to lay this below the ribbon. I really like the way this looks. I like the little orange popping out. And you see just the little scallop pieces there. I think that looks real nice. So I'm going to measure and cut. I'm trying to use this tape for my glue marker. But I decided to go ahead and put the glue on the ribbon itself. I thought that that would be easier. And then I put just a little extra on the book. And there it goes. I'm going to trim the edges here so it's smooth. And now do the back. I just think this looks so cute. I love the little candies and the scalloped edges and the skulls. The ribbon and rickrack really brightens it up. Here's the inside with the plaid. Here it is. I hope you join me for my next video where I will do the inside. And I'll cut some pages out and see what else I could do. Thank you.